Hey, what's up everybody? The Nothing Air one costs $99 and the Apple Generation 2 AirPod costs $129. But with a price difference of $30, is it really just all about Apple charging you a premium, or is there more to it? In this video, I'll be comparing these two $100 earbuds based on the design, comfort, battery life, and sound quality. Let's get started. The second gen AirPod case is portable and easy to hold with its curved design. It has the usual generic white design that AirPods are known for and doesn't have a flashy LED or transparent design. With the Gen 2 AirPod, the earbud does have a longer stem that is not the most attractive but has the benefit of being easier to hold with two fingers. And like all Apple devices, Bluetooth pairing with Apple's own device is seamless. In-ear detection works very well and touch gesture support is limited to tap and double tap. There are no companion apps and the only few settings available are within the Bluetooth setting in your Apple device. Sweat and water resistant and active noise cancellation support is sadly not available on the Gen 2 AirPod. The Nothing Air one case is larger and is not that portable. It has a minimalistic design that looks futuristic using transparent plastic build. The stems are shorter and are more my preference, but I do find that it is slippery to hold. Bluetooth pairing was not an issue on iOS, but it does pair quicker on an Android device, and there are more touch gesture support available, such as sliding up and down for volume and holding to activate Smart Assistant. Nothing has also provided a companion app for those who like to tinker with the settings like EQ. IPX4 rating for sweat and water resistant, and active noise cancellation is supported. The second generation AirPods sit snug and rarely moves around in my ear even when I'm talking or moving around. I find that I'm able to wear them for a longer period of time without it feeling uncomfortable, and in comparison, the Nothing Air one sits tight in my ear and the extra air tip provided in the box allows me to find a better seal. But the earbuds will move around more often and the seal will weaken when talking or moving around. I personally like the comfort of the Apple AirPod 2 even though it doesn't seal as tight, but I like how it fits in my ear, and how it fits in your ear will vary from person to person. The AirPod Generation 2 will last up to 24 hours of battery life with the case, and each bud will last up to 5 hours of listening time and 3 hours of talk time. You do need to pay more for the wireless charging case support, or you can rely on the charging cable to handle the charging. The Nothing Air one will last up to 34 hours of battery life with the case. Each bud can last up to 5 hours of listening time and 3 hours of talk time, which is similar to the AirPod Generation 2. There's also built-in Qi wireless charging support at no additional cost, or you can rely on the USB-C cable to handle the charging. The sound quality of the second generation AirPod can be summed up as balanced. When watching videos, voices will sound realistic, full, and sound effect like explosion isn't overpowering or exaggerated. Even without active noise cancellation, the second generation AirPod did an excellent job of minimizing outside noises and just letting you focus on your audio. The phone call quality is good. Voices do sound more realistic and less static, but at times can sound distant. The mic did an excellent job of blocking out background noises and just letting you focus on your call. The sound quality of the Nothing Air one can be summed up as bass heavy. When watching video, voices doesn't always sound realistic, but the bass heavy does add a nice boom to the sound effect like explosion. Active noise cancellation did a sufficient job most of the time, but was not as good as the second generation AirPod. Phone call quality is above average. Voices do sound more bass heavy and loud, but at times there are some statics to it. The mic can easily pick up background noises, and this can be distracting during a call. Both of these earbuds are great but has their flaws. You can't go wrong with either one. AirPod Generation 2 is obviously better with iOS and has more balanced audio and is more comfortable to wear, but the design is outdated. The Nothing Air one works a bit better on Android and has more feature, better battery life, and a futuristic design. So which one to buy really depends on what you plan to use the earbuds for, what phone you have, and if you prefer the bass heavy over the balanced sound quality. That concludes the video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. See ya!